your name?
Hello, my name is Dana. I'm from Indonesia.
Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Mexico, Cozumel. I just got off the ship. The MSC is current. So behind me is Cozumel. Anyway, once again. Hi, how are you?
Second right, please. Straight and right side.
Thank you. Hi. Thank you so much.
Baru 2 tahun, itu setahun kan kan? Agak mana pecelap 12 selamat pagi. Terus bahasa Indonesia aja. Boleh buat yang nggak bisa. Ya, kan
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how does the cruise ship's cabins looks like. So most of the cabins you stay 2-2. Some of the cabins they're single cabin. This video I'm gonna show you how small the cabin is. I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna walk around inside the cabin showing you how it looks like. Okay, so first this is the door. That's the entrance. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Okay, so this is the cabin. This is how it looks like. So there is 2 beds, one here and the other one on top. So one will stay down, one will stay up. Look right here. So this one is the wardrobe. So you have like 1 each. So from here until this part is for 1 person. You can put your clothes right here, and this one you can put your stuff here, your toiletries, everything that you want to display you put here. And from here, from this part until this part, same thing. So it's 1 each. So there's a television. You see this one. Since I came, I never watched the television because I don't have time to watch the TV. Yeah, also 1 chair right here. From this side I go at the back so you can see the other side. Yeah, so if you want to go on the top bed you just use these stairs going there, right? And then there's a small table here. This is the phone. You can use the phone to call each other. Yeah, there's another one here, the glass. You can display all the things, food, you can put that. Right, let's go inside the restroom. So this is the restroom. This is the entrance. So I'm gonna open. Yeah, this is the toilet. Yeah, so as you can see on this cabin there is no windows. Most of all the cabins for the crew members there's no windows. Yeah, we use aircon. You see this aircon. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the restroom. This is the restroom. It's very small, guys. Look here. This is the only space. Look how small it is. It's very small. So there's the sink. There's the chamber. This is where you bath. Here, this is where you take a shower. It's very small. It's not big, as you can see. Yeah, so what else I need to show you? The place is very small. Yeah, what else? That's it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You see how small this cabin is. Yeah, this is where we stay for like 8 months. Yeah, when you're working on a cruise ship you don't need to pay for accommodation, for food. What you need to do is just to work sleep, eat, go to work, sleep, eat, go to work every day like this. Yeah, so you don't need to pay for accommodation. If you like this video, please make sure to press the like button, also press the subscribe button, so that whenever I post a new video next time, you will be first person to get notified with the YouTube. So my next video, I'm gonna explain about the cruise ship, on how to get started if you want to work on a cruise ship. I'm going to make another video about how to work on a cruise ship, explaining you guys everything you need to get started, from the applying until the doing the paperwork for the whole process until you go to work. And I'm gonna show you some of the advantages and disadvantages of working on a cruise ship. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Yeah. Aya masteps msorogo ajidzika kuzasuko mafloors like kabawa shipa ina vanhu. We are crossing to Texas, so tingori vashandi chete mukati meshipu akabva after ko ndokune casino ko casino akashop kemawacha ndokune kwagarawo vanhu vachinakirwa vachimwawo vachinjoya masteza. Right, apo ndo panenge pane vanhu vanenge vachiimba zvavo, vanoimba vari papapa. Yes, live bands. Yeah, what else? Just gonna show you around. Yeah. Makaita mushipi ichakuratidza dzimwe nzvimbo dzacho. Yeah, so apa takufamba tichienda nepakasino. Kukasino ndopa vanotamba magames apa varume. Casino. Yeah. Kunodyiwa mari ikoko magames, kunodyiwa mari, kunotorwa mari zvese. Yes, it's big. Look, this is casino. The whole casino here. Casino, it's big. Games akasiyana ningachitambo imomo. Yeah, it's another side of the ship. Yes, my elevator, my guests, and stays there. Where are we going, guys? Kruger? Yeah. Let's go. Open the theater. Yeah. We're going outside. It's windy. It's during the night also. This is outside of the ship. It's outside of the ship, but it's windy. Dancer. Yeah. Nerimo kunze mvura mnyanza haioneki manheru.
No, he's pretending to be you.
My friend.
Hello.
His name is Oka.
Yeah, Oka.
That's the side of the ship. We're going far now. Yeah.
Dapat kasi niya kasaran lang yung ganun dapat din lumay ulit. You can also I can see well.
Yes. Close. It's closed.
It's not close, right? Let's go.
Nyanza hiyo. Donnelly, look here. Just don't look at the bike, look here and there, straight.
Thank you.
Yeah. Woo, we are here in Nassau. Look at this big ship. Oh, that's big. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Looks like
Oh, this is my lap tech. Okay? And the future lap tech.
looks like it's the first time for us to go out in Nassau.
It's been long since I go outside. Hi. Thank you.
Hi guys, welcome.
Why they call us beaches? I have a question for you. Why they call us beaches?
This is a beach.
I think it's something for me, or he wants me to go out with him, with maybe. Too much video.
I have a new phone. Oh my god.
I know you have.
I have a new phone. Let's do it. This is Nassau, Bahamas, okay?
Who said that this is Ocean Cave? So I was wondering if when you record like this, Some of them just hit you by mistake. Then you throw
Oh
your
my
food on top of the
god!
sea.
$1,000 food.
You're gonna be like,
I'll die straight away.
just like,
Which restaurant are we going?
Chinese.
Chinese restaurant? With free Wi-Fi?
I even know the password.
You know?
Right this way, family. Right this way.
Which way?
I'm Chief Charlie. Right this way.
Where are we going?
Taxi guys. Taxi cab out. See you, senor. Anybody getting taxi cab?
It's waiting for us. Oh, it's waiting for us.
They're waiting for us while we are waiting for them.
Yeah.
Why we dock early today? Which way more cheaper, but the price is but the taste is not that good.
Okay guys, so sabi naman it's been a long day. Sabukira ndege tuzogere kumba ku Zimbabwe watravel record. Yes. From working on a cruise ship for how many months? 8 months working on a cruise ship, traveling in different countries. Now that I've been a baby man, Thank you.